Her entire family was calling the police all morning. Her dad, her sisters, all sending pictures. When the officer finally got in, she had severe cuts on both legs. She said she didn't remember. She said she wanted to protect him. But when they found him, his story said everything.
Hello, are you,
Yes.
your sisters and family have been calling about you, or calling for us to check on you. They said you got some pretty bad wounds on your legs. But you know we're out here recording. You guys have a domestic situation?
It wasn't really domestic.
You guys fighting?
We were arguing, yeah.
Verbal?
Verbal.
Is there anything physical?
No.
So what are all these pictures that I've been told? Like they're willing to send me pictures. What are all these pictures that they're talking about sending me?
Because my legs are cut up.
Why are your legs cut up?
Are you here by yourself?
Are you here by
Yeah.
Can we talk to you? Or do you want to step out here and talk to us?
I'll step out here. My legs are still, I just woke up, so. Yeah, I just woke up and saw my messages
Where's
from
he
my
at?
family. He took off in the car.
Okay. So where do these cuts come from on your legs? They said it's pretty bad. Yeah, we need to have an ambulance come look at you. You send an ambulance with 61 female with severe lacerations to her legs.
So how'd you get the cuts on there?
You got thrown, didn't you?
Yeah.
And you landed, didn't you?
Okay.
Huh? Am I right? Yeah. I've been doing this for a while. This isn't my first time. Okay.
And your family's concerned
Your
about
family's
you.
concerned
okay.
about you. So what was the argument? Let's talk about the argument. Okay.
And you're being honest with us. He's not here.
No,
No,
he
the
has
victim's
the
not here.
vehicle.
They said he wouldn't be here. The victim's not here. So this sounds like it's a pretty common theme that you guys have domestic situations that are physical.
Honestly, this is like the second or third time it's gotten physical.
Okay. So what happened? Why did it get physical?
Well, he'd been cheating over
Okay.
the past, since July,
Okay.
and we were just arguing about that.
Okay. And then what happened from there?
I don't remember.
All right. So did you swing at him? Did he swing at you?
I honestly don't
Well,
remember.
how did you get the cuts
How'd
on
you
your
get the cuts
legs?
on your legs?
I honestly don't remember. I
What's
was drinking
broken? What's
Maker's
broken?
Mark.
What's broken inside that you don't want?
No, you can you can come in. My lamp's knocked over, and I got.
Okay.
Yeah, I believe it. Looking at your leg, I believe it.
In fact, why don't you go ahead and sit down? That way you're not standing up on it.
Yeah, it's just like the lamp's knocked over. There's nothing.
What time last night did this happen? Or did it happen
Well,
today?
it was today. We got off work at midnight because
Okay.
we worked last night. We work at home,
Okay.
and
So you got thrown down on the ground. Where did you get thrown down on the
honestly,
ground?
I really don't know. I couldn't tell you. I was on our lunch.
It's not broken. Were you guys both drinking last night?
Yes, we were. And it was this morning. I mean, we got off work at midnight.
Okay.
So it was early this morning.
Yeah, it was
Okay.
just.
Is there anybody else here?
No.
You,
it's
are
just
you
me
okay
and
if we just make sure no one else is in here? We just don't want to be surprised by
him.
anybody.
Yeah, you're okay. Nobody else is here.
Okay. Was your argument? Was it in the living room here?
Yes.
Okay. So just be honest with us.
No,
okay?
really, I just woke up, so I'm
I
just
understand.
trying
I
to.
understand. But obviously, you told your sisters what happened, so you know what
When
happened.
it happened, yeah, I did.
Yeah. So
I don't remember.
So I'm gonna
I haven't
make
checked
contact
my
with
phone.
I mean, you can check your phone and see the text messages that they sent. You send them because the text messages all say what happened. Because they're wanting to send me all this stuff to let me know what happened. Because you told them everything that happened.
Yeah.
And all I got to do is go and call them. They're going to send me everything. And I'm going to call them. I'm going to have them send me everything for the report. So, I mean...
I just don't remember.
Okay.
Like now,
You drank that much in that amount of time?
I went through a whole bottle of Maker's Mark
Did you go... Is that after the altercation or before the altercation?
before.
You drank a whole bottle before? Between both?
Both between the both of us, yes.
Okay. And you don't remember what happened? Okay.
Not really. No. I'm gonna go.
So are you trying to protect him and tell me that he didn't do this? Is that what you're trying to do?
Because I'm pretty sure your text to your sisters are going to say otherwise.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Here's
about
the
it.
deal. There's no reason to protect him. We already know that there was an altercation and you're injured from it. So it's just a matter of telling us what happened.
Do you feel like this is a good life for you to live? To live like this?
No.
To be beaten up like this? And someone's cheating on you?
No.
I mean, I don't want to be in your personal life, but that's a pretty severe injury. You're going to have to go to the hospital and get stitches for that. That's not going to close up on its own.
Probably both of them.
Yeah. Those aren't going to close up on their own. Those you're going to have stitches, and it's going to take you some pain because they're going to have to. You're going to feel some pain when that gets done.
Yeah.
Because you didn't get it taken care of right away.
But here's the other thing to think about. You got I don't know how many different family members have called him today, concerned about you.
I'm on my third family member calling. I've been here. This is my second time here today to knock on the door.
I was asleep. I'm sorry.
Code 4. To knock on the door. And I've had your dad call. First, I had one sister call, Jennifer. That was the original call. And I couldn't, she was at a doctor's appointment, so she wasn't able to answer my phone call when I tried calling her back. Then, your dad calls because of the pictures you sent to him. And then, your other sister calls and wants me to kick the door in and is mad because I can't kick the door in. No, Justina, yeah. So I told her I'd come back over here to try again.
I don't want any charges pressed or anything.
Well, we know that. That's why you're not telling us.
That's why you're not telling us what happened.
But the problem is we already he's going to get the information that you told him, or that your sisters or whoever told him. So we're beyond that part of you being the person that's wanting charges for him.
Yeah. Where are you from originally?
Indiana.
Indiana. Okay. So I'm going to explain Illinois to you, okay? In Illinois, domestic battery, doesn't matter if you want to press charges or not.
You're not the one pressing them. It'd be the
You're
state.
You're not the one pressing them. The state of Illinois is the one that's pressing charges for it.
So don't think not telling us is don't think by you telling us you're going to be the one pressing charges. That's the state of Illinois that's going to do that. We'll take him out.
Jonathan. Sheriff's office.
Lock your door there, bud. Let's talk to you.
Yes, sir.
There you go.
There you go.
Step on out and talk to us, bud.
Yes, sir.
All right. Stand right there by your car. Just so you know, we work cameras, okay?
Take your hands from behind your back. Got anything on to do? Wait. Sorry, I just woke up.
You're all right. Just relax for us, okay? We just want to talk to you.
All right.
All right?
All right. So, you're Jonathan Olive, right? Yes, sir. Okay. All right. You been drinking?
Well, not recently, but I did have the shots before going to bed.
Yeah. Okay. Where'd you go after the house?
Casey's.
So what happened between you and Amber last night? Let you know we're on MV recording, okay?
Yeah. We got into a fight, a heated argument, and it's the last thing I know.
That's the last thing you know? You don't remember anything else?
No, sir.
You just remember getting into an argument with her?
Yeah.
Was it a verbal argument?
Yeah, it was verbal.
Did anybody get thrown around?
No.
Nobody got thrown around?
What were you arguing about, bud?
Yeah, what were you arguing over?
Previously, I have a history of cheating on my wife, Amber. So, yeah, no, you're fine. Yeah, so previously I had a history of cheating on my wife, Amber, but we're trying to make good with that. But, last night we had a few too many shots, and then it's got a little heated. She went her way, and I went my way. Because of that.
Did some things get broken in the house? Nothing you know of?
Yeah.
She's got 2 lacerations to both her legs.
Yeah, she told me about that.
And she said she texted you on the way down to her hospital. Do you know she came down to the hospital here?
Yeah, I went to go pick her up, but she didn't respond to me about that at all.
Yeah. And she said that you said you threw her down. You threw her down on the ground?
I threw her away from me because she did come at me with a pair of scissors while we were in that heated argument.
You see how the story's changing here?
Well, the story's not changing
You
at
said
all.
that nothing happened, and now all of a sudden she came at you with a pair of scissors and she's got lacerations to you. You threw her down. I asked you if anybody got any thrown down. If anybody got thrown down, you said no.
Well, how does that have to do anything to do with the lacerations? Because I didn't.
How did she get the lacerations?
That I don't know.
You don't know how she got them?
No.
So why would she text her family and then tell them that you threw her down?
Because I did throw her down. I threw her away from me. I didn't throw her like specifically down. I threw her away from me.
Okay.
Like I said, like she came at me with a pair of scissors. I threw her away from me, specifically.
You guys had any other altercations before?
I mean, we've had altercations before, but nothing of this severity.
Nothing of this severity?
Yeah.
Alright. How'd the lamp get away?
The lamp was. She had to have thrown it before I woke up. Alright, so the altercation. Before the altercation happened, I woke up and I noticed that the living room was tossed around. She woke me up by dumping water on me, which pissed me off. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it pissed me off. Bed was wet and everything. Like, you can see that clearly as well. Like, it pissed me off. But I woke up and I went into the living room. I couldn't find my phone, the projector, because we don't watch TV, we watch projector screen instead. Everything, the coffee table was upside down and everything, so when she gets a little into the bottle, she gets a little physical herself.
Did you tell her in text message that you couldn't walk and that you lost a toenail?
Yeah, I did.
How'd you lose a toenail?
I didn't lose the toenail. I mean, it's still attached, but it's hanging on by a thread. I can show you if you want.
I mean, how'd that happen?
I really don't know. I don't remember. No. I really don't understand. Like, I can show you, honestly. It's literally barely hanging on by a thread. I don't have the prettiest toenails, but...
Alright, go ahead and put your hand over your neck.
Yep.
It's like a fire walker.
He threw her. She came at him with scissors. Both drinking, both injured, both protecting each other. In Illinois, the state decides who gets arrested. Not you. Drop a comment. Who do you think was really at fault here? Subscribe for more.